Oh my gosh, what stinks? Well, it can't be my shoes. It must be my husband's shoes. I'm sure of it. But you know what? I know a way that will help you take your shoes off anywhere, and nobody will say, what stinks? First thing is using hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you don't have a small spray bottle of it like I do, you can put it into a small spray bottle, undiluted. And all you're gonna do is spray the inside of the shoes. Now, why does hydrogen peroxide work? Because it kills the bacteria that causes the foot odor. It's safe for your feet when you put them back in the shoes. So you wanna make sure you spray them, let them dry before you put them on. Now, if they're really bad and if you look inside and they look maybe a little cruddy, like they're not as good as they could, you can use a brush, like an old toothbrush, reach in there and kind of brush it in and brush anything that might be hanging around out. You can even take a cotton ball and work in the shoe if you need to. Now, what else will work besides that? I love tea tree oil. It's an essential oil, it's all natural, has a great scent, and it is an antibacterial, so it's perfect. So I put about 3 drops in a small spray bottle and keep it in your closet. That way when you take off your shoes, you can just give them a squirt. And again with this, same thing. Spray it inside your shoes, let it sit until it dries. It will actually kill that bacteria. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.